Here, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Today we're making glow-in-the-dark slime. Let's get right into the video. Let me open it.
Okay, so glow-in-the-dark slime.
I think I got it because it has tape. Wow! Let's see what's in here. We got this stuff. We got 2 glues.
All right, so we got
2. Let's mix them up.
Hold on. What kind of glue is this? What color is it?
Blue, and this one's green.
It looks like it's a green. It looks kind of like a yellow.
Yellowish, yellow-green.
All right.
We're gonna go with both. Okay, guys?
Magical liquid.
2 magical liquid.
All right. What else we got in there? Nothing else,
Nothing else. No. We just have some trash.
All right.
Put it over there.
So.
Let's get started.
Hold on. Did it come with some directions?
No.
No.
Okay.
So let's see.
We have 2 spoons. 2. Because we're both gonna mix. Can I put the glue in?
Oh, the directions are on the back. So it says, pour out 1 Elmer's glow-in-the-dark glue into a container.
I hope 2.
You pour out 1 first, so pour out that one in here.
Okay.
Hold on, let me open it.
Okay. Can you open it all the way? I don't need help.
All right.
Just chill it. Okay.
All right, hold on. There it is, see?
Oh, he's tough. Let me try.
You want to try it again?
Yeah.
All right. Hold on, let me see if there's
That's
any...
enough. Mix it.
Wait. Oh, I guess that's it.
Yeah.
No, there's some more coming. Uh-oh. See?
Whoa.
All right, so that's the lid. Put that one over there. See?
Ooh.
All right, back up.
And
Now, directions number 2. Add 2 tablespoons of Elmer's Magical Liquid and mix. So that 2 tablespoons. This is not like, this is not really a tablespoon, but we're gonna do it, okay?
Put it on mine. I got it.
Don't let it spill, okay? Put it right there. Like that.
Mix it.
Hold on. Now let me do it.
Okay, guys, he knows how to read.
You do too. And we're just gonna put a little bit more just to be safe.
Yeah. Can I put some on mine?
All right, go ahead and mix.
Okay.
So everybody, you're mixing it.
See, I'm mixing it right now. This is a fun challenge. Tell me when to stop, okay?
All right, let me try to do it. So,
Do it a lot. Good. That's how you mix.
Okay. Now let's see. Hold on. Oh shit. Okay. Hold on. All right. So 3. Mix until well incorporated. You will notice the mixture becoming harder to mix and slime begins to form. Let's throw a little bit more in there. Oh, that should be enough. Okay.
He's throwing it again. Guys, have you done this at home? Make sure to do it. It's so fun.
It's getting slimy.
Slimy. Slimy means good. In a minute, are we gonna add this glue?
We can do that one. You want to mix that one too?
With it.
All right, go ahead. We're gonna mix in one more.
One more color. This is going dark.
Alright, let me help you out here. Let me help you.
Oh my god. I'll hold it. You want to mix?
Not yet. Yeah, go ahead and mix it. Let me put some more of that in there. Alright.
It's mixing! See? Look at that brand new color. Right there. Okay. It's getting slimy. What did you just do to the whole entire slime?
Okay, mix it.
Can you help me?
Yeah, I'll help you.
Making it worse.
Okay, it's getting slimy.
Okay, both of the lids are right here. Both of the containers.
That's how it looks so far.
Yeah. So far it looks like that. Number 4. So let me see what's number 4.
Oh, okay. Now put your hands in there and mix it.
Your hands
Yeah.
and mix it. Okay. I don't want to go in. It's messy.
Slimy, huh?
Slimy and sticky.
Show everybody how slimy it is.
Look at this beautiful slime right here. Are we done?
You done playing with it?
No.
Alright, keep it. Get the rest of that in there.
This is sticky.
It's really slimy, huh? Oh. Alright, here. Oh, you got it on the side of the bowl here.
Yeah, because it's messy.
It's messy, huh?
Yeah. Whoa. Get the rest.
Oh man, I don't want this stuff on my hands. It's so, man, it's so sticky, huh?
Yeah.
You want to come look at this, babe?
Look, you don't have to put your hand in it. Just come look. Woo.
Alright, so that is the extent of this video. I'm going to go wash my hands, right?
Yeah, go wash your hands and I'll keep saying stuff about this slime.
Give me a kiss.
Peace. Say peace. We're not done. This works. This slimes worked and it is glow in the dark glue. Come on, let's show you. Come in the dark. Come in the bathroom. Close the door. Watch. See this? It's glow in the dark. See it? Fun. And now if you put it back out, it looks normal. It looks glittery. So let's say, come it to me. Bye.